Hi guys and girls, welcome to my channel. This is Henry here today, and I'm going to be talking about Ethereum. This is the continuation of Ethereum technical analysis. So I already posted a previous video on Ethereum, so I'm going to caption it Ethereum chapter 1, and this one's going to be chapter 2, and consistently I'm going to be uploading more videos talking about these assets and my thought process and where I think price is headed to. Please note that nothing I say in this video should be used or considered to be an investment advice. It's only for educational purposes and entertainment purposes only. So, Ethereum, where do I think price is headed on Ethereum? So, the first thing I do right here is I go to 3-month time frame, as you can see here, and I tap this log. And the reason I do that is because I like to see the price action in Ethereum from the beginning of when Ethereum was established and the blockchain launched and all that. And I wanted to see from the all-time low to the all-time high to understand the price action and how price moves. And one thing I've realized is that Ethereum, after a move up, an impulsive move up, usually comes down to mitigate either a fair value gap or an imbalance. And as you can see right here, after we had this impulsive move, price came down, mitigated this imbalance, and then we had another move up, left imbalance here and here. We left imbalance here and here. As you can see, price didn't come to this imbalance, but rather it came into this imbalance here. So this is telling me that Ethereum doesn't really go so deep into these imbalances during the retracements, and the overall directional bias on Ethereum is bullish. It's been in a consistent uptrend from 0.15 to the all-time high 4,800. So where will I be looking forward to accumulate longs on Ethereum? I'll be looking at this position, and if price comes into this position as well. Now, how will I know there's been a change of there's been a shift in market structure in Ethereum is after Ethereum comes into my imbalance, I want to see a daily break of structure. Now, price is coming to this first imbalance, and there's no telling whether price is going to go up from here or it's going to come down to this other imbalance or this other imbalance. There's no telling. You can't say this is the imbalance that it's going to hold. But playing from reaction, I'll just go straight to the daily time frame. And what I want to see on the daily time frame is the swing highs and the swing lows. And on the daily time frame, you can see right here, daily swing high, swing low, and this swing high, price came, and you can see how price wicked this swing high. Now, usually from what you'll see online, they'll tell you to confirm a break of structure, you need to confirm price going above the previous high and closing above that high. In my experience, that is a break of structure, and this right here could also be a break of structure in my experience. And the reason I say this is because most of the time when I'm looking for sales and price mitigates my POI, my point of interest, and comes down and does this, wicks the previous low, the low that's generated this high, and price wicks it, if I was looking for, if this was a sell bias, I had to invert my chart because I wanted to assume this was a sell bias and I'm looking for sales. What would I do? The moment I see price wick this place, if I was looking for sales on this asset, this would be my point of interest. And when price comes here into this fair value gap, what I want to see is a failure to keep making highs. What I want to see is price come here, whether in or however, and fail to create another high, fail to create another high, fail. This is what I want to see right in this position. And if I do see that right in this position, then it means that this right here was a break of structure, and I will confidently want to see price run through this place. So I'll invert the scale back, and you can see right here, after price came into this fair value gap, displaced, immediately came down, failed to create a new low, and we've just been in this consolidation phase. Now, this is my opinion, not financial advice. Ethereum could have actually bottomed out at 800, which is this low. 880 could have been the bottom in Ethereum. And all through, a lot of people anticipating for Ethereum to go to 500, 300. They wouldn't even know that they are literally looking at a life-changing opportunity right here, because this entire move from here to this high was a 5,339% move up. There's no way price is going to make this kind of move and not do a retracement of at least 50-60%. And after that retracement, I wouldn't be surprised to see price make, even if it's a 2,000% move or 1,000% move. And if this is the bottom and Ethereum should do a 2,000% move, that will put Ethereum at 18,000 per coin. $18,000 per coin on Ethereum. No financial advice. And in my opinion, it doesn't seem like something that is impossible, because you can see right here, price made this move. This is 967,000%. That is what price did. And we had this retracement. And then another move up. And we had this retracement. So nothing I say in this video should be used as an investment advice. It's only for educational purposes and entertainment purposes only. So do not buy or sell Ethereum based off my analysis. Always do your own research. And I just wanted to bring this to light so that the people who are watching my videos could at least get a few tips from it. They can apply that in their paper trading or whatever. Or they can even do more research on Ethereum to understand the utilities and the possibilities in this asset. Because when I started going deeper and to understand what price did, and I saw this right here, if I wanted to buy Ethereum, the only place I would be more confident in looking for longs on Ethereum would be this fair value gap right here. Right here would have been my accumulation zone. Even though I'm not just going to randomly just jump in once price hits here, I'll wait for a 1 hour break of structure once price taps into this place. If I see a 1 hour break of structure to the upside, I'll be interested in longs on Ethereum. And now we go back, and what do you see? You see price come into that point of interest and it taps into it. So now let's go back to 1 hour. Now we'll go to 1 hour time frame, and this is your swing high, swing low, and you can see price broke structure. So the moment price broke this structure, if I was looking for longs, I'll literally just go back to my 4 hour time frame. I'll put it as red. Now, the moment price broke this structure right here would have been my entry to accumulate longs on Ethereum. I will be stacking up Ethereum on this zone heavily. This would have been my entry. Once price comes into this position, 1,182, I'll be accumulating Ethereum because I have an understanding that there has been a structure shift in price. This imbalance right here will be my entry into the market on Ethereum. I'll accumulate longs, and once I'm done accumulating my longs, I'm just going to go and leave it to do its thing because I have an understanding of market structure, price action, accumulation, distribution, and you can see right here, price came into the point of interest, the yellow line, tapped into it, and stopped creating further lows, and now edging up higher and higher and higher. And that's just how it is. And one day you're gonna wake up and you see Ethereum is at 2,000, 3,000, 4K. No financial advice. So guys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this one today. Hope it's been insightful and you learned something from it today. And I keep dropping more videos, and if you have questions or anything you want me to talk about or look at, you can leave it at the comment section. Appreciate you all. I'll see you all next time.